Hey y'all, this is Somewhere to Be, okay? I'm gonna start with sopranos as usual, okay? I got somewhere to be, that place is my destiny, because God has called me to walk through doors of opportunity. I won't be moved by adversity. I'm moving to my next place of glory, so I must seize the moment and apprehend my destiny. Okay, now I'm gonna move to the next part. Everything is just pure unison, okay? So y'all ladies, all ladies gonna be singing a little lower than usual, okay? All right, next part. Come on, brother. Come on, sister. Stir up your determination. Come on, brother. Come on, sister. We can do it. We can have our destiny. When you're doing harmony, it comes in like this. Come on, brother. Come on, sister. Stir up your determination. Come on, brother. Come on, sister. We can do it. We can have our destiny. Inversion. Come on, brother. Come on, sister. Stir up your determination. Come on, brother. Come on, sister. We can do it. We can have our destiny. All right, that's the whole song, okay? And you go back. I've got somewhere to be. Just watch my signal for that, okay? Because I'll probably lead it the first time around, okay? First time singing it. And I'll hand it out to somebody else in the future. All right? Thanks a lot. Bye. Sopranos. Love y'all. God bless you, okay? Bye.